So believe it or not, this is actually a commercial vehicle, VAT qualifying, hardtop Defender 90. What I love about this, and what's really rare because we sell so many, is the colour, Fuji White. When do you see a commercial 90 like this in white? You just don't. And you'll have already seen the telltale signs that will sell this car. It has the Bespoke and Urban styling, which will make it look like no other. With 4,000 miles on a 2024 74 registration, for me, for the price point, £61,990 plus the VAT, find me a better looking commercial vehicle than this. It's also the newer model that Land Rover produced. It's called the S model, which gives it a host of additional features. But this car has the jump seat with the leather, with the matrix lights, and this lovely start-up and running illumination. Full black styling package, all fully colour coded with the urban badging, urban bonnet insert, and the matrix light. Arch extensions, urban 22-inch wheels, light pod, steps, rear spoiler, roof rails. It's a fantastic looking vehicle. But it doesn't stop there, because with the new S model, we'll go around this way and walk around this way, you get the 11.4-inch touchscreen. This has got the fixed tow bar, it's got the urban spare wheel cover, and it's also got the carry box to the driver's side. So if you want to put your wetsuit in there, which is apparently what Land Rover said it's for, then you can do that. But it just looks fantastic from every angle, wider, more aggressive, meaner. And the colour combination, I've actually owned an almost identical looking vehicle like this myself, but a normal passenger car. If you want to run something through your business, then this is a fantastic opportunity to buy something, claim the VAT back, save on the tax. But the features are fantastic. So the 3 seats in the front, the leather interior, adaptive cruise, 11.4-inch touchscreen. It's got everything you'd want from a commercial vehicle. Don't forget, this is basically a van. So you can buy it like a piece of machinery or whatever it might be, and claim all the benefits of doing that through your company. But in a like new condition with 4,000 miles on, if we pinpoint some of the real special features about this vehicle, namely the wheels. So if you go and focus on that wheel, it is an urban design wheel, satin black, all in a brand new condition, filling the arches, and you'll also notice the arch extension with the mud flaps. It's got every really available exterior feature, this car. Fully painted, so gloss black to the bottom section. We've got the matrix lights, which aren't running until I put the car into drive. There you go. And then this lovely running light, urban lettering individualized there. Stunning looking vehicle. The lights on the roof are functional. They are very bright. I don't think you could drive around in this car with those lights on, but if you're going into a field or whatever that might be, they will do a real nice job for you. Painted door handles and keyless entry. And then jumping in, we have loads of really nice features. So driver focus features, which is switchable cockpit, adaptive cruise with the lane assist. But really, it's the functionality of the 11.4-inch touchscreen, because when you jump in one of these, in a normal one, the screen only goes into that gap there. The bigger screen really gives you a better experience. Wireless smartphone integration, navigation, Bluetooth, media interface, loads of 4-wheel drive, terrain modes, because it is a Defender. There's all sorts of things, but things that we love to show you is the 360 camera, the top view camera, the reversing camera. Now the car's fitted with a tow bar, which is a fixed tow bar. We've also got digitalized climate control. We've got heated front seats, heated front and rear screens. The jump seat, now what that is a third seat in the middle. If you're not using it, you can pull the little tab, which is just here, really easy to do, and drop it down into an armrest, which has got more USBs and Cs and charging points on the back of it. If you come inside, you'll see there's a little button here which turns off and on the light pod on the roof. But for a Defender, and especially a commercial Defender, this has everything that I would want, or my customers who buy this car would want, certainly from the exterior look, and then being the S model, from the features that it comes standard with. It's a D250 3-litre diesel. It's on the website now. Now, this is really important. If you're interested in this car, my name is Richard, my number's on the screen. If you want to ring me or WhatsApp me, or just WhatsApp the business, that number is also there. Should make it pretty easy for you to contact us and make an inquiry on this car. If you look at what is surrounding me in our showroom, these light displays and the way that this car is presented is fantastic. We're the best UK car company, I would say, right now. Give us a call, drop us a message. Thanks for watching.